Welcome back, graduates. Today I want to show you something really powerful that Shopify has recently released, and it is a AI and generated product descriptions, and it's called Shopify Magic. And so what this basically allows you to do is use AI to generate your product descriptions. You can use AI in the previous video for a lot of other things, and it's called ChatGPT. But for this, Shopify has their own AI, and it's pretty remarkable. So on this page, if you don't have it already, it's not through an update, but if you scroll all the way at the bottom, it says join the waitlist. So what you do is you join the waitlist and you add in your email that's associated with your Shopify account. And then from there, you can go back to your product descriptions over here, products, and click on the product page, and you'll start seeing that it is activated if you have been accepted on the wait list. And then right over here where it says auto write, that's the magic that happens right over here. So you can write any text you want, and then you can have kind of like a tone: expert, supportive, persuasive, daring, playful, and sophisticated. And then you can auto write it, and from there you can auto write it even more. And also, if you already have something, you can just highlight it and then auto write, and it'll already just auto write what you selected to auto write. And I'm just going to rewrite this just to kind of show you, and it can't be too long, and you can do it in segments as well. So now it just kind of rewrote, instead of Ecomify aluminum bottle is constructed of durable aluminum, it says Ecomify aluminum bottle is a perfect accessory for anyone on the go, and so forth. So it kind of has a different tone. You can change it around, auto write it as many times for the perfect description. And you can keep it, and then you can have it auto write, and then simplify, and also expand on it as well. So you can have a bigger paragraph, or simplify just condenses it even more. So when you simplify it, it just simplifies it to a couple straight lines and benefits and features. And then you can just continue going over and over again. There is another program that we use to make sure that it is definitely 100% plagiarize free, and it's called Quillbot. And there is a paid subscription, but what you can do is also use what they provided here. If you copy that, go into Quillbot, and it's kind of using AI again, but for this is a paraphraser. So Quillbot can paraphrase. You can paraphrase it in a creative, a simple, a formal, fluent, or standard, expand, or shorten. And also you can change the synonyms range if you want it to be more like the words, less like the words. So if you use this, then it lets you know there are 20 words and how many are being paraphrased. So now it changed up to, is ideal for those who are always on the go due to its compact size. And this would be a really beautiful product description, because it lists out the benefits, and then it kind of tells you, hey, you need this now. So that is a short video for just showing the AI generated product descriptions by Shopify, how powerful it is. You definitely need to get on the wait list. If you don't have it already, definitely get it. It saves a lot of time, and also it just helps you start getting an idea of how to write them if you are stuck and have your creative juices that are not running right now. This is definitely to go.